Good morning, or good afternoon, good evening, good night, whichever times when you're watching this. And I don't know, it's my time of the year again. Schoolboy football. Jamaica schoolboy football. But fun fact, we don't get all of the groups as yet. We don't get all of the fixtures as yet. The only thing we have at hand right now is the Manning Cup groups. And it is looking very, very interesting. And at this point in time, a big boy or a big dog now will come out of them group. Who is that team? I don't know as yet. But let's have a look at the groups for the Jamaica Schoolboy Football 2024 season. Thank you very much, people. Massive respect. Thank you very much again. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. We are back again with another exciting year. Woo! People may tell the time I move fast because we just done schoolboy football. Not even come like a cup, just come like a Wadi, what's up, but Dixon. That's schoolboy football. And Mona winning the Manning Cup. Just Wadi, you know. Just Wadi. And we are already in preparation mode. We're in June, July, August. So we're 3 months away. 3 months. No, we're not June done. We're 2 months away. So what we're gonna find out during this time period, you don't know so the features them have to run. You want it in the comment section. Drop which school you'd like me to see do features on. Drop that in the comment section. Now it's tough, you know, because why far school and me rough. Cause but I get paid for it. And if far I have a travel, resources, all them kind of something there. But nonetheless, still drop your school in the comment section. If I can make it, I will try my best to do so. If not, we'll see how it go. The man of people have over 100 art school are participating. You know. And even if me say I go do a school per day, I don't think I will be able to do all high school them. See that here, I won't be able to do all high school them. Unless we probably do 2 schools now one day. That's the only way. And that, my friend, I can tell you, that's a tough ass. Anyways, let's get to the groups. Like how the Manning Cup groups them out. And I see one school already. I tell us the amount of ball where the school they retain. One of the big school them. The amount of ball where they retain. But I have to see the next school them before I can concretely say, me feel like them can do something. But when me see the big school them first, when me see all that big school them first, then now me can come out and say that. Anyways, let's get to the groups then, people. Let's get to the group. Alright, so Group A. So this is the Manning Cup group. These are the Manning Cup groups. Group A, we have either a finalist idol or finalist idol in Group A, Eltham, Clancarty, Arden, then known Kingston Tech. And I wonder one part, I say, it'd be interesting. Why not just put 4 teams per group? That'd be interesting if I put 4 teams per group, you know. And like have a round of 16 or something like that. You know? Or something like that. But this is the first group A, Denun Tech, Kingston High. Now, there's something we still want to discuss in regarding to the schoolboy football, right? And like incorporating a tier system. Like you have the, how should I put it now? Top. So it said 20 teams, the top 20 teams, like the CC, the JC, the Dintil, the Mona, the Kingston College, all of these teams in the first tier. And then we have the lower tier where the other schools them would just have developed, just a sort of them program and something. Put those teams in that tier. And have like a relegation promotion system, like 4 teams get relegated, 4 teams get promoted. 4 teams at the bottom of the table of the top tier get relegated, and the 4 teams at the top of the table for the lower tier get promoted. I think about it. I say no, so that's an interesting idea. That's a discussion I've had with multiple persons. Siobhan tell me about it. What about people? And I say it's a good idea, but that's for next time. Anyways, let's get to Group B, where we have the champions. So we have runner-up and champion. We have the champions. We have Mona High, champions of the 2024 Manning Cup season. Well, 2023, my apologies. Well, probably didn't get it already. Anyways, that'll be interesting if they win it back to back. Mona, Jonathan Grant, Charlie Smith, Gainsted, Waterford, Tarrant. No, not doing any predictions, but it's kind of obvious the two teams who are going to come out of these two groups. Kind of obvious in some sense. Obvious. It's going to be interesting to see what's going to come from Jonathan Grant this year. I know he started training already. I want to see from Charles Smith. Anyways, it's going to be quite interesting. Waterford as well was interesting when I see them last year. Let's go now to the next one. Next one is Group C and D. Let's look at that. So we have Kingston College, Campion College. Funny enough, last year, well, Kingston and Campion in the same group. Kingston College, Campion, Cumberland, Jose Marti, Meadowbrook, Penwood. Kind of obvious again. Manning Cup, now the D. This is, in my view, group of death. And some, or should I say, this is a group of death in my view. We have STATHS, Haile Selassie, Camperdown, Vauxhall, Kingston Tech, and Calabar. Now this is the group of death. And I am saying that something are gonna happen. Something have to give. Come out that group. Not, people, this is not official prediction. This is just run through. Just run through sake. Leave this out group and now. Particular star. Andrew Price Calabar, yeah. Alright, so STATHS. We have STATHS that come out that group. So push STATHS one side. What the hell STATHS not come out that group? Oh, jeez. I tell you, Jano, that would be a major upset. Anyways, so we assumably or safely put STATHS on one side. Next team coming out of the group. So we have, I'm gonna say Calabar, Campion, Camperdown, Haile Selassie. On the tough man. Hey what? I mean that's it, master. That's it until the prediction show. So people, as I said, this is not official predictions, yeah? This is not official predictions. So Group B, STATHS, Haile Selassie, Camperdown, Vauxhall, Kingston Tech, and Calabar. Let's move now to the next group where we have E and F. Group E, Tivoli Garden, Wolmer's, St. Diego, Edith Dalton, and St. Mary's College. St. Mary's College again. Hey, make sure so not come with the same foolishness. St. Mary, at least me I beg you to put in some preparation. Please, put in some preparation. I beg you now. We don't want to see what happened last 2 seasons, like basically just come to give a points or just 3 points. Anyways, this is a tough group. Particular Tivoli Garden, Wolmer's, St. Diego, Edith Dalton. Yo. I leave the one for final prediction show, yeah, man. Group F, move on to Group F now. The big bad, mighty, powerful JC. Last year, JC starts again. Anyways, JC, Excelsior, Pembroke, Spanish Town, Ascot, Bridgeport. I wonder if a young baller there, Ascot say when they call him Manface or Old Face. I want face name. Look bad baller. Bridgeport, right around this, right around the corner. Me take one stone and throw it, drop over Bridgeport. Basically, me live at Bridgeport. Yeah. Anyways, Spanish Town, really good team when we see them last year. If they improve on that, the team there, I think they have a strong chance of exiting. But I don't know, favorites for this group would have been Jamaica College. And interesting to see what Excelsior always have a good team, so there's no doubt about that, none whatsoever. Final group now of a Manning Cup. Let's have a look at it. We have St. George's College, St. Catherine, Norman Manley, Papine, Holy Trinity, and Pobalin. What? People, one team, if you start the year, one team alone missing, and a George's. A George's is the only team I'm missing so far. And boy, all thing me can say is, squad big. That's all me can say. Anyways, so I think yeah, that's it. Of course, that covers, that's all I group them. That's all I group them, man. I like group them, of course. Definitely, it's a good look. Anyways, people, that's it for the Money Cup section. I'm patiently awaiting the Dakasa Cup groups. Very, very interesting. So, just prepare yourself, people, for the schoolboy football preview show. I'm going to do it in August after I complete most of the features them, and also when, you know, say CXC and them something that come through, so we know how the team them look at that one time, how much players are leave and how much players are going to stay. So we need to know them the information before anything. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Massive respect. The excitement is taking a little time and trickle in. Trickle in. Anyways, see you again, people. MG Sports TV. Right. God bless. Boom. Have a wonderful day, people. Beckham. Schoolboy football. You know what I mean?